Tired of entering your credit card details every time you shop online? There's a simpler, safer way: Paysafecard Direct. First things first, head to your nearest retailer that sells Paysafecard vouchers. These can be found at many gas stations, supermarkets, and convenience stores. Ask for a Paysafecard voucher with the amount of funds you need. You'll pay for the voucher at the register just like any other purchase. Next, create a My Paysafecard account on the Paysafecard website or app. This is essential to use the Direct feature. It's a simple registration process that will require you to provide some basic information. Once you've created your account, look for the option to activate Paysafecard Direct. Then, use the 16-digit PIN from your purchased Paysafecard voucher to fund your Direct account. This transfers the value of the voucher into your online Paysafecard balance. Now, when you're shopping online and reach the checkout page, select Paysafecard as your method of payment. You'll be prompted to enter your My Paysafecard username and password. After logging in, confirm your payment, and just like that, your transaction is complete. Enjoy the ease and security of online payments without ever having to share your bank details.